We can still help you.
Just take it easy. And besides... the scales are already regenerating. If it uses that same move again, I might not be able to protect you in time. Let me take over for a while. You guys wait for Benimaru's orders.
As you command.
Please be careful, Lord Rimuru.
Once I've rested, I shall return to help you, Master.
Sounds good. Now then, let's see if I can do some damage! Damaged? Maybe. Still. Does Charybdis have rapid regeneration or something?
Answer. Judging from the speed at which it repairs its body tissue, it is safe to assume that the individual Charybdis possesses the extra skill Ultra Speed Regeneration.
Aw, no!
It is estimated that because of this skill, it will regenerate its scales within 3 minutes.
So there's only 3 minutes until it can launch that attack again.
Okay! Utilize all methods at your disposal and attack! No matter what! We can't give it the opportunity to recover! Yeah!
The support of the Pegasus Knights increased our strength more than tenfold. So I really thought we'd be able to take Charybdis down with an all-out attack. We've been at this for hours, but we barely damaged the thing. Our strongest attacks only knocked its health down by 30%. What should we do? Huh?
Damn you, Malim!
Wait, Malim? Did I hear that right? Hey, Great Sage, use appraisal.
Answer. Signs of life identified in the body occupied by Charybdis. The body appears to possess an intense anger.
So the dude's angry? At Malim? So basically, Giant Eyeball Fish Guy was heading to town because he has a bone to pick with our honey-loving demon lord? Meaning he doesn't give a crap about me or Veldora. At all. Talk about overthinking it. Hold up! I'd made Malim sit on the sidelines for nothing! And she's asleep! Malim!
I've definitely been awake the whole time, I swear!
No, you were definitely asleep.
I was just meditating and silently cheering you on with my eyes closed.
I'm sure. Anyway, the giant tuna thing apparently has business with you.
Really? Oh yeah, it looks like it possessed that Phobio guy who tipped me off the other day.